Alright guys, hey, I'm back out here with the SnapTain. This is SP650. The first review I did was with the controller, and now we're going to do a test flight with the Android phone. So let's see how that goes. Be interested to see how that pans out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the power. Lights are flashing. Let me find the Wi-Fi here. There it is, SnapTain, it connected. Let's go to SnapTain Nova. I'm not a big fan about using virtual sticks, but I wanted to give it a try just to show you guys what's going to happen, because I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to go and put the rate of speed here. We got Wi-Fi FPV. I'm going to 100%. Alright, let's get the sticks on. Let me do the calibration here. So we're calibrating, I believe now. Oh no, there it is, right? That's the wrong one. So let's calibrate. Should be calibrating the drone right now. There it went. Okay, starting to get windy, you guys, so I don't know, cross your fingers for me. Let's do one key takeoff. It was right here. Alright, let me bring this back over towards me. Alright, bring a little altitude here. So far so good. Alright you guys, so far virtual sticks are working. Let's see if I can get this thing to do I want to try to see if it'll do the mapping on here. So let me draw a circle. Okay, so it's doing the circle. So the only way to do that is to go and let me shut that off. This will only work for the virtual sticks. If you're using the controller, that point of interest is not going to work, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I could do the function to start the film. Bring it closer to me. The wind stopped. Oh, can't see me yet. Oh, just took a picture. Okay. Well, either that or the Wi-Fi froze up. Let's try a picture again. I hope it took a picture. Doesn't say anything on the screen. Let me bring it back. Get a little closer here. I don't see no indicator coming on, so let's see if I can get the film to start then, at least. See if that works. Oh, it would help if I did gesture mode, wouldn't it? Alright, I hit gesture mode. That was my fault. Alright guys, gesture mode. Hopefully it took a picture. Let me see if I can start the film. The film start? No film yet. Yeah, I don't see the film here. Gesture mode is on. Let me bring it a little closer to me here again. That wind's starting to pick up again, you guys, so that could be a factor right now. Nope, it didn't start. And I am in gesture mode right now, so let's see if I can get it to take a snapshot. No snapshot either, you guys. Alright, maybe that's just with the controller. So, alright, well, I tried. Another thing I wanted to try too, let me shut off gesture mode now. Let me see if I can do voice control now that I'm connected to just the phone itself. So wind's picking up, so I apologize. Backwards. Backwards. Forwards. Stop. Stop. Whoop. Alright, let me bring it back to me. Woo, that was close. Alright, forwards. Forwards. There it goes. Okay. Well, it works with the app on the phone. It doesn't work when you're using the controller, so forward, 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 forward. No, no. Oh, come back. Alright. So that's not a very good option. Let me shut that off. It starts going wild, you guys. Okay, well, at least I tried. Let me see if it'll land. 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 Okay, it's landing. It landed. Oh well, it was worth a try. Let me shut off the film. I just wanted to see if it works. At least you guys can see, or at least expect what's going to happen. But the virtual sticks work pretty good, you guys, so I'm not going to go any further and do a big video on this. I just wanted to try out some of the options on here and see if they work. So far, the little telemetry point of interest, it works, just a real short distance, not very long. The voice activation, it barely works. You would have to be like indoors somewhere in a big indoor area with no wind maybe, because with the wind out here it just takes off. It doesn't work. But the gesture mode, for some reason I just can't get it to work. Let me calibrate this again. I can't get it to take the photos and stuff, so let me go ahead and bring this back up. Voice things back on. Here we go. Okay, let me take back off here again. All right. Well, let me calibrate it since we crashed. So there we go. You have to calibrate it. Anytime you crash, recalibrate it or it won't take off. And it's always good to recalibrate anyways, so those gyros are nice and level again. Make sure you're on a level surface too. So I'm not going to give up yet. I want to try to get this gesture mode to work here before the battery goes dead. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. There's gesture, hand gesture mode for pictures. Let's see if I can get it to do a snapshot. I didn't see anything. That might only be for the controller, you guys. So I just wish the wind wasn't carrying this thing away so much. See if I can start the recording. Nope, recording didn't start. So alright, that's got to be for the controller, you guys. So because it's not doing it. Nope, not at all. So I'm going to try the emergency stop just in case this thing takes off from you guys. Let me bring it close. There's emergency stop button. Boom. And it'll kill it right where it's at. So you have one on the controller as well. The button's on there. So just in case this thing starts to fly away from you, as long as you're getting a connection, hopefully you'll be able to hit that emergency stop. It's better to just drop it out of the air than to have it just keep on going. So anyways, let me bring this thing back up one more time, take it for a quick flight, run a little video here for a minute, and just virtual stick fly. So far so good. Up. It's coming down. There we go. Okay. Alright, let me I want to see if I wonder where the 3D flips are here. I think it's on the side. There it is. Let's see. Now let's see. There it goes. Okay, 3D flip works. Alright, so there's a virtual button here. It says 360. Press that and then press the direction you want to flip. Alright, so that does work. Let's try it again on the side. There we go. So that does work there. Alright, let's try it to the other side. Alright. Yeah, so that works out pretty good, you guys. Not too bad. It does have a return to home, which you will have to be facing forward. And you press that button, it should come back this way. Let's see if I can get it to... Yep, here it comes. Alright, so I'm going to stop it. Okay, see how it came back? It won't come back to where you're at because it ain't GPS, but whichever way the back end is facing, that's where it will come coming back to you. So let me go ahead and hit that again. Virtual stick, return to home here. Here it comes. And to cancel that out, see where the back end's facing that way? That's where it's going to go. So at least it'll come back somewhat, as long as you got the back end facing towards you, okay? But that's basically it. I wish I could have got the gesture to work for the filming and stuff. But it will fly with just the phone. This is just a Snapdragon. I think it's 9.0 or 8.1, something like that, or 7.1. I think my version is. It's a little bit older. This is the Stylo 3, so it does work, and it's not too bad. You get used to the sticks. You can fly it just like you're flying with the controller. So this one's actually pretty nice. The apps actually works pretty decent. There's a lot of these apps that just do not function, you know, and I'm not for SnapTain, but for other companies that I've done this before with, and I just had no luck. But this one's working pretty good. You can see I'm flying it just like I've got a controller. So it's not too bad at all, you guys. Alright, let me bring it back to me here. So that's basically it, you guys. Alright. Just Alright, I'm going to go ahead and land this. There's nothing else to really show. I don't want to bore you with just flying in a circle. So I'm doing the one key landing. And there we go. Perfect. Did everything that it was supposed to do except for the gesture, doing the peace sign to do a picture. That didn't come out, so you can see me right here on the screen. The Wi-Fi is a little slow, so it's you know, it is what it is. It's just a toy grade, you guys. It's just to have some fun with, okay? But anyway, SnapTain, thank you guys so much there at Vantop Technology there out of China. Sure appreciate you guys sending this out to me. You guys, you can find this on Amazon. So look for it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions, and I'll leave a link for the previous video of the first initial unboxing and flying it with the controller, you guys. So, all right. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.